In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your alarm sound on iPhone. You can simply change to any alarm sound in just few simple steps. To do this, head into your clock app. Tap right here to head into the alarm section. On this page, tap on this plus icon on the upper right corner of the screen. You will have to select the third option of sound. Here are different alarm sounds. You will have to just tap to select any sound of your own choice. To select a song as your alarm sound, just tap right here on Pick a Song. Head into your downloads to select any song you wish to be your alarm sound. That's how easy it is to change your alarm sound and also add a song as your alarm sound. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.